How to use CIBC Investor's Edge app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. CIBC Investor's Edge is one of Canada's most accessible discount brokerage platforms, ideal for self-directed investors. But most beginners overlook its best features and make costly mistakes. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake users make is skipping the practice or learning mode. CIBC offers tutorials that explain order types, chart tools, and navigation. Jumping straight into live trading without this prep often leads to errors or poor decisions. Next, don't ignore the research and insights section. It's packed with analyst reports, screeners, and market trends. Beginners often rely on guesswork instead of using these data-driven resources to make informed choices. Another mistake: failing to diversify. Investor's Edge offers access to ETFs, mutual funds, and global markets, yet many users stick to a few Canadian stocks. This limits your growth potential and increases risk. Pro tip: use the dividend reinvestment feature. It automatically reinvests your dividends, helping your wealth compound faster without extra effort. And here's something most investors don't realize: CIBC's commission structure is lower than most big banks, which means you can trade frequently without eating away your profits. The surprising truth: the right habits make a bigger difference than the right stock pick. So, learn the tools, diversify your portfolio, and invest consistently. Used properly, CIBC Investor's Edge can help you build long-term wealth with confidence and control.